An airplane whose airspeed is 580 kilometers per hour is supposed to fly in a straight line path 38 degrees north of east. Okay, so this is east, this is north, and they are flying 38 degrees north of east. So this is the velocity of the plane with respect to the ground. Notice that it makes a right angle, and so this angle is 52 degrees. A steady 82 kilometer per hour wind is blowing from the north. So you have, this is the velocity of the air, the wind with respect to the ground. And this is that resultant vector. This is the velocity of the plane with respect to the air. So that means this angle here, to make a supplementary angle, is 128 degrees. So we need that for our law of sines. So let's let this angle be theta. So using the law of sines is all about proportions. So sine of theta over the velocity of air with respect to the ground is equal to sine of 128 degrees. And we need the vector that's opposite it, the velocity of the plane with respect to the air. So we know the velocity of the plane with respect to the air. This is 580 kilometers per hour. We know this is 82 kilometers per hour. So using the inverse sine, we get that the angle is 6.4 degrees. So the plane needs to fly at an additional 6.4 degrees. So if they're already flying at 38, they need to fly at 44.4 degrees in the north of east direction.